Welcome to the instruction video showing how to use the Niko Mini Detector. First, you need to decide how you wish to use the Mini Detector, as a presence detector or an absence detector. If you are using the device as a presence detector, then lights will switch on and off automatically when you enter or leave the room. You may also connect a push button if you like. When you leave the room and you want the light to turn off immediately, then the push button should be pressed briefly. The device can only be used as an absence detector in combination with a push button. Each time you enter the room, you need to press the push button briefly to turn on the light. The light goes off when you press the push button again or automatically once the switch-off delay has been reached. Turn on the current. The red indication LED flashes for 40 seconds and the connected lighting is on for 40 seconds. This is the warm-up time. When this is over, the green LED flashes twice quickly. It's important to know the factory settings before you start programming. The standard setting for the Mini Detector is as a presence detector with light sensitivity levels of 100 lux and a switch-off delay of 5 minutes. If this is how you wish to use the Mini Detector, you don't need to do anything. Set the Mini Detector to the setting mode. Beware, the remote control should be no more than 3 meters from the detector to be able to set the detector. To do this, press the lock/unlock button 3 times within a period of 5 seconds. The green LED will flash twice to confirm. Choose whether you want to set your detector as a presence or absence detector. To do so, press the appropriate button once. Now set the light intensity level. To do so, press the appropriate button once. You can choose between fixed lux levels or a setting based on current light levels. Fixed lux values are set using the red buttons from 20 to 1000 lux. Apply the current light level using the button Learn Actual Lux. The device will set the learned light level as a minimum value. Now set the switch-off delay. To do so, press the blue button showing the required time. The basic settings have now been programmed on your Mini Detector. To make things easier, you can save these basic settings in your remote control's memory to use them later for programming other Mini Detectors. To use this function, press the button Memory In immediately after programming all basic settings. Your settings are now stored in the remote control. If you wish to send these basic settings to another Mini Detector, then direct the remote control at the new Mini Detector and press the button Memory Out. A second extra function is returning your Mini Detector to the factory settings. The standard setting for the Mini Detector is as a presence detector with light sensitivity levels of 100 lux and a switch-off delay of 5 minutes. To save new settings and leave the setting mode, press the lock/unlock button once or wait for 1 minute. Finally, we'll explain 2 general function buttons. These are not used to set the device, but instead to check and test the settings. To do so, the device should not be in setting mode. To be sure, wait for 1 minute before continuing or press the lock/unlock button once. To know how a Mini Detector is programmed, press the first general function key, Status. The green and red LEDs will indicate which light level and switch-off delay have been set. First, the green LED flashes once. Count the number of times the red LED flashes. Now you know the light level setting. The green LED flashes again. Count the number of times the red LED flashes. Now you know the switch-off delay setting. You can check the detection area using the second general function key. Press the button Test On Off. Lighting will be switched on and the red indication LED flashes for 5 seconds. Then walk around the room. The red LED flashes each time the sensor detects movement. Any further information can be found in the manual on niko.eu.